Hi, this is Watchhobby, and today I'm just going to show you another quick unboxing. So this is a watch that I bought from Magic Time. This is a new shop, never been before. One of the small malls just outside of Kuala Lumpur. So let's see the brand that I bought. It's an Alba. This is the watch that I bought. An Alba. The guarantee booklet. 1 year guarantee, warranty. The watch. A nice square automatic watch bracelet. Anyway, I'll do a full review on my blog. Just wait for it. So this is it. Anyway, thank you for watching.